Well, the trailer's still on.
Trailer's still on.
What do you think of this thing?
It's not. It's a poser.
It's a poser. What about them flares on there?
Poser. Poser.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We are about to leave Billings and head to our next stop. I think we're gonna hit Mount Rushmore, check that out, and then we'll head to the next hotel, which is, where's the next hotel?
Oka something something South Dakota.
Oka something something South Dakota. So hopefully it's not too windy today. It's a little windy here. My hair's probably all over the place, but yeah, we're gonna get this thing fired up and head out.
Head up there for now. Vest.
Well, boys, slight dilemma. Got a little flat going on. We're gonna get that ripped off, get the spare on, then we gotta go get a new spare. Let's get that done real quick. 5 minutes later, we're good to go. We're gonna try to find a Tractor Supply or something that can sell us some more spares, because if this happens again, we're done for. So, on the move. Well, what do you got to say?
I got to say the guy that dropped off the load of logs was 100% right.
We had a load of logs dropped off at the house, what was it, like a month ago? So
Yeah.
a little over. And he told us that we should probably get like 5 spares to go for the trailer because, yeah, you'll have blowouts. And we did. Luckily, we had 1 spare. Stopped here at the next exit here in Hardin at a little tire shop. And they had a new rim and 2 new tires for this trailer. So now we got 2 spares. We should be good to go for at least the next little while. Hopefully we don't hit anything or have any other blowouts anytime soon. We made it.
We made it. I don't know how. We made it.
Pretty cool memorial they got set up here. Kind of walked through like a whole hall of flags, and then, yeah, I don't know, what would you say? It's like a pretty cool setup they got going on.
I'm gonna say they did a really good job.
Yeah. There you guys go. We're gonna start heading back to the truck. Quick 20-minute stop here to check it out. Well worth the trip if you're, you know, traveling through South Dakota, I'd say. So we got another 3-hour ride to our next hotel stop, and then, yeah, call it a night. Guys, you got to see this. We just stopped at this random spot to get some fuel. Look at the amount of snow going through this place.
This is crazy.
For reference, my dad's 6'3".
We're gonna go. You stay over there. I'll go walk around this way.
What the heck? What if we wanted to use this pump? Oh my god. This is the only stop for the next 80 miles, and we're just below a half tank, so might as well fill up, be safe. We don't feel like walking. Guys, look at this truck squat. This is a heavy freaking load. Good morning, boys. It is now the next morning. We got in pretty late last night, so I wasn't really filming anything. But we're back outside, gonna get on the road. Truck's still here, so that's a good start. And yeah, hopefully she starts. It's a little chilly out. It's probably like 10 degrees here in South Dakota. But let's give this thing a cold start. Roll down. Morning.
Well, good morning.
It's a little chilly.
A little.
You know it's cold when the high idle kicks on. Well, boys, we made it to Nashville. Just turned onto the highway, which is, what is this, 6 lanes?
Yeah.
She's a little busy. Alright, I just made it to our last hotel stop here in Knoxville. We had 2 more blowouts on the way here, but got them both fixed up obviously. And this was, I think, our longest trip of the entire cross-country trip. I think this was right around 9 hours. We turned it into right around 12 with our little issue. But here's a nice little C8. How was the ride?
The ride was long.
Tomorrow, we're on the way to, well, you guys are about to find out. Well, we just made it to our destination, made the trip cross country, and I guess it's finally time to announce that I bought my first house at 22 years old. Let's have a look. This is the first time I've seen the house, and first time you've seen the house as well. What do you think? First impressions?
Oh, it's awesome.
There we go. I think we gotta go find the key to this place, and then we'll have our first little tour. But yeah, first look, it looks pretty good. Well, we found the keys. Ta-da! Oh gosh dang! We got vaulted ceilings in the master. That's quite nice. Hey, it's clean. Toilet works. This is gonna be the office. This will work for the office.
Yeah.
How big is this closet? Oh, nice.
Good size. This is a good size little spare room.
That's gonna be your room.
This one?
Or the
The
roommate.
roommate. I'm gonna put my futon in this room with your office. Look up at the master.
I just did. Oh, they left me a bunch of stuff. Well, boys, you already know this is the most important part. Let's check out the garage. It's definitely spacious. A lot more room than the last one.
Oh yeah, double what you had in Spokane.
Oh, they got 2 bright lights up there. What these are. Oh! And there's the attic.
Oh, they are bright.
And then with mine too, like.
They had their squares down on the floor.
So yeah, I bought this house probably 2.5, maybe even 3 months ago now. Sight unseen, this is my first time being here. I had really good realtors which helped me out. They kind of videoed everything while I was deployed. And yeah, so far so good. Everything is like super, super clean in here. I'm not sure how much it echoes in this garage, but we'll figure that out. The only thing that's kind of outdated is the kitchen, but you know, that kind of gets upgraded over time. We got to go get a fridge because we got no fridge, and obviously that's pretty important. Looks like the washer and dryer go in here. You got some nice cabinets up above. Huge back porch. Coming over to this side, we even have our own little grill pad, and then a little table to use, and then we got a nice little shed over there for the lawnmower and whatnot. So yeah, I couldn't be happier right now. We're gonna keep checking this out, and then we gotta start unpacking, getting everything in here, and we should be set. I'll pick up with you guys once we get the trailer backed up and pretty much unpacked. We got a lot to do, and not a whole lot of time to do it. I got a few days until I gotta go into work, but for now, it's all about getting this house set up. Just got done washing the trailer, the truck, and the car. Did the whole hand wash on the car And looking at it in the sun, I've never seen this thing look so good. Check it out. This freaking color is so sick. Up close, I don't know if the camera will really pick it up. Yeah, in the sun, this thing is a beaut. So yeah, we got this cleaned up, we got that cleaned up, got the trailer cleaned up, and now we're about to start transforming the garage into what we need it to be. So I think we're gonna build the bench over here. We're gonna leave the front kind of open, that way I have room to work. And then on this side, we're gonna have that rack and then leave some room for future, maybe sandblaster and whatnot that we can slap over here. So we're probably gonna make a run to Lowe's, get what we need to build a nice bench. And then, yeah, we'll get to work in here. A lot of work to be done. It's kind of a mess. Yeah, super stoked with how the car turned out. Truck's nice and clean. And yeah, we're pretty much unpacked for the most part. Obviously, I still got to unpack a lot in my room and the garage, but trailer's empty, and that's really all we were going for right off the bat. So I'm going to wrap up this video right here so I can get it up. You guys can see the house. And yeah, we're going to start transforming the garage. So that'll probably be in the next video. For now, I'm going to head to Lowe's. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. See y'all later.